Today's Clear Impact Biohack is going to help you have more energy after you eat.
I'm Adam.
And I'm Carl. We're Clear Impact, biohacking for beginners. We help you calm your mind,
Increase your cognitive and physical energy.
and live life with more vitality.
If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do for more impactful and easy to implement biohacks. Why is it that when you have a heavy meal, you feel lethargic or tired afterwards?
Well, it's because of all the energy that it takes to digest food. The heavier the meal, if you're eating a lot of red meats or a lot of, a big meal, it's going to take a lot of energy. So there's less energy available for the rest of our body to use.
Yeah, and I remembered I used to really be heavy into lots and lots of meat. If I didn't have meat on my plate, I didn't know where I was getting my protein. So I'd have big steaks, big burgers, but I always find myself spending hours on the couch just half passed out.
Right. Yeah, I used to work for a pizza company for 4 years when I was younger. Free pizza.
Yeah.
So I'd bring home those beautiful deep dish pan pizzas, eat a few slices, and
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Oh man, they taste good. And I was done for hours, like you said. And what does that say about the quality of our life, right?
Yeah. Yeah, we spend so much of our time, we don't even realize it, but we're in this whole mode of digestion, and that takes up valuable energy.
Right.
So it's it's one where if we can get in tune with that, and what we're going to teach you here today, you actually get some of your time back too, which is really beautiful part.
So what are some of the meals we can have that don't give us that feeling of being tired and lethargic?
Yeah, well, one of the big ones, especially in the winter months, I love doing soups. This is something that you get in your kitchen, you throw a bunch of ingredients into a big, huge pot of water, and you just let it simmer there for an hour, and you got a beautiful soup. It takes minimal time. You can get a massive batch out of it, but it's on the digestion front that you really have the power of lifting your energy and just supporting your immune function.
Right. For me, smoothies in the morning. When I change my breakfast from your full breakfast meal of hash browns and bacon and eggs and potatoes to a smoothie,
Yeah.
I felt afterwards that I hardly even had eaten anything, even though I didn't feel like I was hungry anymore. Had more energy, more ability to focus.
Yeah.
So it really improved the quality of my morning by
Yeah.
having that smoothie.
Yeah, and we're talking smoothies. We're not just talking sugar-based smoothies. Obviously, we got a little bit of protein there. We got
Right.
a little bit of good, healthy fat. So yeah, it goes a long way.
Another great example is at work. I was in the corporate environment for years, and going out and having a heavy lunch, maybe having a beer at lunch with lunch,
Yeah.
I'd come back to the office and I'd be done by 2 in the afternoon. I wanted to have a nap.
Yeah.
And what kind of quality work are you getting done when you're in that state? Today's Clear Impact Biohack is to have a liquid meal once a day.
Awesome.
And that could be a soup, it could be a smoothie, it could be a chia bowl, in some manner, a liquid meal to make it easy for your body to digest that food.
Right, that's the biohack, right? The ability to speed up a result in your own biology. That's what we're all about, and we want this to be easy for you.
Easy
It's
to
not
do.
about having to eliminate anything. It's about what do you add in that gives you that biological result.
Sure, but don't eat 6 pieces of pizza and add a smoothie to it and expect the result in this one.
Right, or blend up your pizza
Steak.
in a blender. and-
Right. Unless your mouth's wired shut. If your mouth's wired shut, you have to
Might have
blend
to
up
do
your
that.
steak, right? So here's the challenge for you this week. For the next week, we want you to change one of your meals a day to a liquid meal. Make a batch of soup, make a smoothie for yourself. Even if you have to go out into the marketplace and buy it, you're generally going to find a reasonably healthy soup or a smoothie that you can buy out there.
Yeah.
And there's some extra benefits you're going to get from doing this, right?
Yeah, this is the beauty of it, is if you can get in your own kitchen and actually start preparing this yourself, it's a very powerful act of self-care, or what I just call it self-love.
Right.
That has a ripple effect in the actual preparation, but when you consume it, you're actually consuming all that energy that you put into creating it. It's amazing.
And if you're having a soup or a smoothie, chances are you're having the opportunity to add more of a variety of ingredients.
Yeah.
And having a variety of healthy ingredients is wonderful for our health.
Yeah.
And also, you're going to notice what you're putting in there. So you're going to be prone to put more healthy stuff in there as opposed to unhealthy stuff. You're not going to be making a candy floss and soda soup,
Yeah.
right? You're not making a smoothie just out of sugar cubes, right?
Yeah. No, we're not doing that.
No.
Awesome. So there you go, guys. You got your challenge once a day for the next 7 days. Do one liquid-based meal, whether it's a smoothie, whether it's a soup. You guys can figure it out, but let us know what you come up with. We want to hear what the results are. If you have any comments, any questions, let us know in the comment section.
All right, and we love learning from you, the community. So if you have another way that you help manage to get away from that lethargic, tired feeling after your meals, share it with us. We want to hear about what you guys do.
Yeah, and thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do for more impactful and easy to implement biohacks.
We're Clear Impact. We help you calm your mind,
Increase your cognitive and physical energy.
and live life with more vitality.
Oh yeah.